The most common reason for errors in spreadsheets often is that people insert or delete rows or columns. What's great about Protect Sheet, if I say Protect Sheet, you'll notice that generally it only allows you to do those two things. I'm just going to switch those off. When I say OK, you'll see I cannot insert or delete rows or columns. However, perhaps you want to set it up so that you can. So when I unprotect the sheet and protect again, you'll notice there's a whole bunch of options about whether you can insert columns, rows, and hyperlinks, and are you allowed to delete columns or rows. So we recommend you think carefully about allowing this. But if you do say that, so let's say we can insert rows. When I say OK, so it's protected. I can't do anything there. But if I go here, you'll see I now have the ability to insert a row. So if you need to do that, just keep in mind that there are lots of options here you can use.